Hey guys, today we're going to be learning about writing equations of lines for parallel and perpendicular slope. Alright, so let's do this one. What is the equation of a line that is parallel to y equals negative 2x minus 2 that goes to the point 4, negative 2? Okay, well the first thing we want to see is whether our slope is going to be parallel or perpendicular. We can see here that's going to be parallel, so our slope is going to be negative 2x, or negative 2. So our equation so far is y equals negative 2x plus b. Then we want to plug in our coordinates to our equation. So we would use our x coordinate for x and our y coordinate for y. If we plug it in, we would get negative 2 equals negative 2 times 4 plus b. Right now we're just trying to solve for b because that is what we need to finish our equation. So we would get 6 equals b. As I said, in order to have a full equation, we need to find our b and our m. We have our m, so now we're going to plug in our b to our original equation that we came up with. So our answer is y equals negative 2x plus 6. Alright, for this next one, do it on your own and then come back when you have an answer. So we had to find a slope that was parallel and went through the coordinates to negative 3. Our answer is y equals 3x minus 9. Alright guys, let's do this next one. What is the equation of a line that is perpendicular to y equals 3x minus 5 that goes to the point 6, negative 1? Okay, so we want to find a slope that is perpendicular to 3x. So the perpendicular slope of 3 is negative 1 over 3. So then if we put that into our equation form, it would be y equals negative 1 over 3x plus b. Then we want to plug in our coordinates for y and x, and we'd get negative 1 equals negative 1 over 3 times 6 plus b. That would give us negative 1 equals negative 2 plus b. b equals 1. Then we want to plug in b to our equation up here, and we would get y equals negative 1 over 3x plus 1. And that is our answer. Alright, so do this on your own and then come back when you have an answer. So we wanted to find a slope that was perpendicular to 5x. So we got y equals negative 1 over 5x plus 6. And that is our answer. Alright guys, that is it for this video. This was writing equations of lines with parallel and perpendicular slope. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll catch you later. Bye!